What's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of SV's Auto. Today we are going to do something a little different, not working on the bus for a minute. We're going to get back to the Rabbit. We need to change the stub axles on the rear of that. So let's get started. We're going to get started jacking up the back side of this car. This side is in horrible condition and we'll show you that here in a sec. So we're replacing this side and I'll show you why. That is extremely dangerous. So the bearing failed on this side and we're going to go ahead and replace the drums, the bearings, and the stub axles, because I'm afraid that there is some wear since this thing was driving around like that.
I talk about a smack on like Ford and shit, but I see a lot of Fords running and a lot of my cars aren't running most of the time. So.
Okay, backer plate's all cleaned up. We got a new wheel cylinder that we're going to mount onto this. Feed the brake cable in now. It works partially, so it's a little easier. It's a good idea to do one side at a time, so that you can reference the other side if you forget how things are put together. Alright, we got the bearings pressed in on our drums, so we're going to go ahead and paint these drums up to keep them from rusting. So Jeremy is prepping them with some brake clean, get them nice and clean, and then we're going to don't have any brake caliper paint, but we're going to use the engine paint on these. side is done. It's rinse and repeat for the other side. We're not going to film that. We're just going to go ahead and get it done so we can get this thing back on the road. But thanks for watching, and like always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.